In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up HubSpot account. We'll do this by installing a trusted backup app from the HubSpot App Marketplace, so you can protect your CRM data with automated, regular backups. Follow along on your screen and pause as needed. I'll explain each click and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser, go to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the right portal and that you have the permissions to connect apps. Admin or super admin access is usually required. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication to continue. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. Click it, then choose App Marketplace. This is where you can safely add integrations that extend HubSpot. The layout may vary slightly, but you should see a prominent search bar at the top of the Marketplace page. In that search bar, type ProBackup, all one word. Locate the ProBackup listing in the results and click it to open the details page. Take a moment to review what the app backs up, pricing information, and the permissions it requests. Confirm you're connecting it to the correct HubSpot account before moving forward. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the standard installation flow. Next, click Sign in to access or create your ProBackup account. Read the terms and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Finally, click Connect App to authorize the integration. You'll see confirmation screens as HubSpot and ProBackup establish a secure connection. After the connection is complete, the initial sync and backup will begin. Depending on the size of your database, this can take a while, so don't worry if progress moves slowly at first. Keep HubSpot open in a tab and watch for status updates inside the ProBackup dashboard. Once finished, verify that key objects like contacts and deals show up in your backup. Quick recap. Search for HubSpot, log in, open the App Marketplace, find ProBackup, install it, sign in, accept the terms, and connect the app. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check your user permissions, make sure you're in the correct portal, and try refreshing the Marketplace page. And that's it. Your HubSpot account now has an automated backup in place.